Hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. I am a wife, a mom, an Etsy seller, a business coach, and I am here to help you scale and start your online business so you can make a full-time income from the comfort of your home and doing what you like. If you like what you hear, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I am super excited about today's video. I made a video on all the things you need to start your T-shirt business from the comfort of your home, and I mentioned all the necessities that you need. And I this time I am going to be giving you guys numbers because I did my research. Yeah, I did my research for you guys, and I got all my numbers together so I can prove to you guys that yes, for sure, you can start this business from the comfort of your home with just $500. Yes, I mean $500. So like I mentioned in that video, if you haven't seen that video, you may want to go check it out because I mentioned all the things that you need according to their importance. So you want to go check that video out. That's going to help you out. But this video, I am going to be giving you guys numbers. I did my research again. Your girl got the numbers together, and I am going to be sharing where you can buy all those things from. So the number one thing I mentioned in that video was heat press. So you can buy your heat press from Walmart and or Amazon, whatever platform you prefer. Like I told you guys in that video, I bought mine from Heat Press, Heat Transfer Warehouse. That was expensive. You do not have to break your bank to start. What I bought this heat press for, you can use that whole money to start the whole business. So I started with too much money, which I did not have enough money then, but I was breaking the bank. So I'm here to help you not to break the bank, honey. You can start with $500. I bought mine with $550, but you can start your whole business with just $500. And that's the reason why I say I gotta help somebody out there, because if you're thinking you need a lot of money, no, you don't. But anyways, let's just get straight into this video. So number one thing you need is heat press. You're gonna find a heat press, affordable heat press from Walmart and from Amazon. You'll be able to find heat press that is worth $150. Yes, I said it, $150. But one thing I have to let you know is make sure you read reviews, because reviews are gonna help you know if the heat press is worth buying. So the number two thing I mentioned in that video was Cricket's cutter. You don't have to use Cricket. You can use Silhouette Studio. You can use different brand out there, but the one that I am using, that I shared in that video, was Cricket. So go to Walmart, to be specific, and type in Cricket's cutter, and you're gonna find a lot of Cricket's machine that comes through for you. So the exciting thing is, when you go to walmart.com, you'll be able to find the Cricket's cutters, and they are bundled. So when I bought mine, I bought it in bundles. So when you go to walmart.com, you'll be able to find bundles. So they do bundle it up, and you'll be able to find the cutting, all the cutting materials bundled up with the Explorer. So the one that I saw that I can recommend to you guys, you can buy the Explorer Air 2, and when I checked it, it was for $199.99. So basically $200. You get a bundle. That's a great deal, and it's actually on sale right now. When I saw it, I said, "Woo, this is a good deal." So it's like $200 in that you get for the whole bundle. So you get a mat, you get a weeding tools, you get a roller, you get everything in that bundle. You find that again on walmart.com. And another thing that you're gonna need is, of course, T-shirts. So in that video, I talked about that you can find your T-shirts that you can use to do your testing in formal mail. One thing I did not mention was where you can also find T-shirt from. You can find T-shirts in Hobby Lobby. If you're looking for a fast way, you can buy T-shirt from Hobby Lobby, but Hobby Lobby, they usually do 30% off, so you may be able to buy it for $2 and some cents. In another place you can find T-shirts in wholesale, good quality, is going to be jiffyshirt.com. So in jiffyshirt.com, you have to get to certain points, certain amount, in order to get free shipping. And I know a lot of people don't like to pay for shipping, so you may want to bump your order to certain amount to get free shipping, and that amount on TShirt.com is $59 to get free shipping. So, well, another thing on my list is gonna be Teflon sheets. I don't know if I mentioned that in that video, but I'm gonna show you guys what a Teflon sheet is. So this is a Teflon sheet. We use this to place on the shirt when we are pressing our vinyl. So this helps for even heat distribution. So you want to make sure you have this when you are pressing your shirts. So you're gonna find Teflon sheets on Walmart.com. You're gonna find that also on Amazon, and you can find it for $8 or $7 and some cents. So we're just gonna call it $8. Of course, we're gonna need our lint roller, right? Because we want to make sure we take out all the lints from all the clothes, all the shirts, so we don't have lints in our design. So of course, you're gonna need your lint roller, and this you can just go to Walmart and grab that. You can find lint in anywhere, so it's not a specific kind of lint. You can use any lint roller as long as it can take out all the lint from your clothes. That's all you need, and that you can buy that for just $5. So another thing that you're going to need is going to be your shipping scale. You're gonna need your shipping scale in order to start this business, and you can buy this on Amazon for $40, $39 and some cents. So I'm just rounding up stuff. One thing you're gonna need again is gonna be your clear bags. I love using clear bags. Other people use different stuff, and I'm gonna show it to you. And people use this here, and honestly, sorry, it's loud. Honestly, when I started my business, I was just following the crowd, and I bought this here and never used it. So you may want to see what you like, try what you like, but clear bag will never disappoint you. So I bought this from Amazon, and it costed me like $15 to buy it, and you get 100 counts from this. So the last thing on our list is going to be poly bag. Yeah, I got my poly bag here. And here. This is my favorite poly bag. And there are different types here. Let me show you another one that I have here. There are different types of poly bags. You knock yourself out. Like, there are a lot of them out there. So I usually go for the one that is 100 counts. I have gotten a lot of them, like different types, and I end up buying this again. This is my favorite. I just love these colors. So you can find this on Amazon for $20. So there are different sizes. So this here, you can buy this size, and I tell you, this size is definitely gonna fit your t-shirt. If you're selling t-shirts, this size is gonna fit your t-shirt. If you're selling sweatshirts, I don't suggest this size. I suggest you use this size. Let me show you to you guys. So this size is bigger. So this size here is 22 by 14 or 14 by 22. So basically this length here is 22 inches, and this is 14. While this other one is 12 by 17 inches long. So basically you can buy whatever sizes you prefer for the poly bags. At this point, I believe we are under $500, and we are exactly $498. So you can see that you can start this business today with just $500. Do not sit on that idea you have in your head. Make sure you action it. One thing, if you know me in person, you know I am that person that like to action my thoughts. When I think about something that is gonna change my life, honey, I am actioning it right away. So if you are thinking about starting this business, please, please, please don't just sit down and think about it. Please action it. Action is the word for the day. It is worth it. One thing with t-shirt business is you have to niche down so you can reach certain community. So if you're wondering what niche you want to get into, I will make it very easy for you. I got a video coming up. I will be sharing the profitable t-shirt niches to get into. If you like this content, all I ask for you to give me thumbs up so that other people like you can find this video helpful as well. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. As always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen. Bye-bye.